Hi guys, in this video we're gonna discuss how to solve a problem when your JBL Clip 5 speaker does not charge. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, make sure that your power of source is working correctly. Just simply connect another device to confirm that. Now, take a look at your power adapter. Maybe it has some damages or dust in there, and it is the problem. Now, make sure that you are connecting the cable right. This end goes here, and the other end connects in here, like this. If it didn't help, you can try to reset your speaker. But first, you need to turn it on by pressing this button till you hear the voice signal until this indicator light up. Great! Now you need to press and hold these two buttons at the same time, and you'll see that this indicator will turn off. Just like this. If you want to use it again, just simply turn on and connect to the phone via Bluetooth. Now, check if this indicator is blinking red, because that will mean that your speaker is charging now. Also, if your speaker was fully discharged, it can take some time to light up or to react to your movements. So, just simply wait and then try again. So, that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.